Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10 Plus review. So please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first look at the cons of the product. Navigation issues on complex layout can struggle with very cluttered spaces, higher price, more expensive compared to basic models, limited mop function. The mopping feature is not as effective as other models. No voice assistance integration, lack integration with Alexa or Google Assistants. No mapping for multiple floors. It can only map one floor, so it need to be reset if used on different levels of your home. Occasional software bugs. Some user report app connectivity of or firmware issues from time to time. And small dustbin capacity require frequent emptying, especially in large homes. So these are the cons you need to consider. Now let's look at the pros of the product. Strong suction power, efficient cleaning on various surfaces, advanced mapping, create detailed maps for more precise cleaning, long battery life, can clean large areas in one go, smart app control, easy to control and schedule cleaning through the MI Home app, automatic charging, return to dock when battery is low, quiet operation, operate quietly during cleaning. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.